Hello, it's Wonder here. Sorry if you can't hear me quite well again, but I got a new friend. His name is Winter. Hey, say hello, Winter. Hello. I got him yesterday from a classmate. I love him. I love her officially. So yeah, that's all I have to say. But this is Winter. Winter's so nice, and he smells so clean. I sound nuts. Bye. If you want, we are.